MakesYouFluent App Review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So, MakesYouFluent promotes itself as an AI-powered language learning platform, offering conversational practice, pronunciation evaluation, and personalized lesson plans. However, its AI capabilities are widely reported as superficial, functioning mostly like a basic text-based chatbot, rather than the immersive tutor shown in ads. However, it comes with its early positives. So it has some users suggest that avatar-based characters and conversations feel engaging, but only the product side hints at any real quality or interactivity. And also a few Trustpilot reported C received improvements in speaking, but these are not verified independently and may be influenced by manipulated feedback and systems. And it also comes with major issues and warning signs. So they have poor refund practices, they have misleading advertising, and they even have terrible user experience. And for the subscriptions, they have traps. The plans auto-renew at higher rates without reminders. And apparently from real users, they made a purchase and forgot about it because it was useless, but they still charge $49 from the credit card without warning. And that's literally like a scam. So in conclusion, it is legit, but it has some scammer behavior. It is a functioning service and not a phishing site or a malware, but it behaves like a scam.